Okay, I got the cinder block out there. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot with the 12 gauge. That way people can see what kind of damage a 12 gauge shotgun can do a wall in your home. I figure probably the strongest wall you're gonna have in your house is probably a cinder block wall. So we're gonna go ahead and, well, we're gonna shoot and see what happens. Okay, we got our dove and small game, our double-aught buckshot, and our slug shot. We're gonna go ahead, shoot the cinder block, and see which one either goes through it or breaks it. Okay, let's go down and look at the bird shot. Now, as you can see, it dinged it up pretty good. It didn't go through, but you can actually see where it hit. Okay, next up is a double-aught buck. Yeah, let's get down here and take a look at that. Now, as you can see, that double-aught buckshot, it totally destroyed everything. Even put a nice hole in the bucket. But we're gonna set this back up here. We're gonna go ahead and just see what the slug shot does. Okay, next up is a slug shot. I think we're pretty much gonna destroy the cinder block. Yeah, pretty much destroyed the cinder block. Now, I know we have fun with these videos and I'm kind of jovial, but I want you to seriously think about choosing a shotgun for home defense. I mean, will birdshot take down the bad guy? I can't honestly answer that. I don't know. But I think if I was shot with birdshot a couple of times, I'd probably just lay down. The double-aught buck, I think it might be overkill, and it's going to spread all over the place into your walls. And you got to think past your shot. I mean, if you're being confronted by a burglar, okay, and you shoot that person, you got to think beyond that target. Is that slug, is that buckshot going to go past through that person into your wall, into your neighbor's house, into your kid's bedroom? It's something I want people to seriously consider before they actually go out and actually defend themselves with a shotgun. I'm not telling you not to defend yourself. I'm just saying seriously consider before you actually get a shotgun and do it. Okay, I guess that's enough on my soapbox. This is like the third video with me talking about shotguns and for home safety, home security. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. You know the deal, up here somewhere. And as always, thank you for watching.